Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a concrete mixer truck together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw 3 circles for the wheels. Trace the base of the truck. Now draw the cab. First a vertical line, a small diagonal line for the hood of the truck, a larger diagonal line for the glass. Then draw the horizontal roof line and a vertical line. Now draw a horizontal line and a small vertical one for the back of the truck. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Now draw the concrete mixer with 2 round lines, one diagonal, another round line, and close the concrete mixer with a diagonal line. Draw the support, first 2 diagonal lines starting from the base of the cabin, and then 2 vertical lines at the back. Now draw the window, starting with a horizontal line, then a vertical one, another horizontal line, and a final diagonal line. Draw the inside of the wheels with 3 circles. Draw a small rectangle for the handle. Now draw 6 lines on the concrete mixer. Wow! Our truck turned out really good! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use red to color the first stripe of the concrete mixer and the cabin. Use orange for the second stripe of the concrete mixer and the base of the truck. Now use yellow for the third stripe. Use green for the fourth stripe. Now color the fifth stripe and the window with indigo. Use blue for the sixth stripe and the inside of the wheels. Color the last stripe with purple. Use black for the wheels. Wow! Our concrete mixer truck turned out great! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!